Welcome back viewers and subscribers to another poolside review. We hope you are having a great day. We are having a great day too. Without further ado, we are in the review of this cordless robotic pool cleaner. So I just came home and there's a large package in front of my door. I get it inside. I pretty much didn't even remember that I ordered something, you know that way where sometimes you order something and you're surprised by your own package. Well, that's the episode that I just had. So today I'll take you through the unboxing of Winny the cordless robotic pool cleaner. I think this is distributed by Walmart and it goes for about $238, so let's go outside. I'll show you the pool, and I actually have some dirt that's been building up in there, so it's a perfect time to see what the pool cleaner could do. So there's three basic parts to it. You can see it has the top part to cover, or the helmet. Then it has a filter inside and it has the bottom piece where the wheels are connected to. Let's get it into the water and see what it can do. I'll let you guys watch. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.